Here we are looking south at the summit of Gillespie Volcano. That's the lava plug that's at the summit. Don't know how much erosion has happened here. There might have been some kind of a crater. Can't really tell exactly, but that's what it looks like today. And so we're going to just take a quick look around here, looking at some of the lava flows as they flowed out from this area about 1 million years ago. The Arlington and Gillespie volcanoes west of Buckeye in western Maricopa County, Arizona, form the northeastern corner of a string of basaltic volcanoes that include the extensive Sentinel volcanic field west of Gila Bend. This volcanic field extends a distance of about 80 kilometers from Sentinel volcanic field west of Gila Bend, northeastward to the Arlington volcano just west of Buckeye. Potassium-argon age tests indicate that volcanic activity occurred between about 1 and 4 million years ago, with significant variation between the various eruptive centers. Volcanic rocks in the field were fluid basalts that form low-relief lava flows and low-profile shield volcanoes. The Gillespie volcano consists of 3 to 4 basalt units emplaced in 3 eruptive phases of decreasing volume. The lava flows of the initial phase flowed into the Gila River channel, blocking and possibly even damming the Gila River. The river eventually broke through after shifting its channel at least 1.5 kilometers to the east near the current location of the Gillespie Dam. The Sentinel Arlington volcanic field produced extensive low-profile basalt lava flows and small, gently sloping basalt shield volcanoes. Available data suggests the Sentinel Arlington volcanic field has erupted intermittently over the past 1.1 to 3.5 million years, with no clear migration of volcanic activity within the field. Although there is currently no evidence for eruptions during the past 1 million years, there is still the possibility of more recent eruptions to be discovered. Arlington Volcano is a small, low, basaltic shield volcano located just northeast of the unincorporated community of Arlington. 6 potassium-argon radiometric dates of rock samples from Arlington Volcano range from 1.28 to 3.28 million years. Gillespie Volcano is located just west of the Gillespie Dam and Bridge and is also a low shield volcano without soil horizons or multiple eruptive centers. 4 of 5 potassium-argon dates range from 2.67 to 3.6 million years ago. Both volcanoes are geologically simple, small, low-profile volcanoes. Most likely, each was erupted in a single volcanic episode of short geologic duration. There is no evidence of weathering or soil accumulation between the flows, indicating that they were deposited in quick succession over a period of about 10,000 years. So once again, we can see the sinuous lava flows in the distance. And after further consideration, I guess this is kind of a crater here at the lava plugs pushed up higher than the edges. So yeah, there hasn't been a lot of erosion in the last couple of million years, considering it was a dry climate here, not a lot of rain. So here we are coming around to the northwest. You can see Saddle Mountain coming into view there. If you know where that is, that gives you an idea of where this is. But it is just exactly west of the Gillespie Dam and the Gillespie Dam Bridge that we talked about in another video. So, I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.